Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at the Makita GA4530R angle grinder. We're going to open the box, have a good look at it, get it out and set it up, and then we'll start it up and show you it operating. As you can see, the grinder comes complete with a cutting disc for metal and looks all nicely packed. And of course, don't forget to read the all-important manual before you set the equipment up. And we'll show you how to install the wheel guard in a moment. And here's the handle. This can be a bit tricky to put on, we'll show you in a second. It feels well made, not too heavy either. Okay, now we'll put on the cutting disc. So first of all, we remove the locking nut, and then we remove the inner flange. But first of all, of course, we need to install the wheel guard, so let's do that now. And a word of caution, never ever operate one of these angle grinders without the wheel guard fitted. It could cause real nasty injury if the wheel does happen to explode. And tighten the screw using a posi drive screwdriver. Now this bit can be a bit tricky. Pop the bolt into the handle, let it come through the hole at the end, and we are going to need to hold that bolt in place using a long screwdriver or something similar. And whilst pushing on the screwdriver, just turn the handle clockwise a few times and until it goes tight. And now pop the inner flange over the shaft, making sure that it aligns with the cutouts. Place the metal cutting disc over the drive shaft, making sure you get it on the right way. Again, making sure you get the right way, spin the locking nut onto the drive shaft. Just finger tight is fine at this stage. Now we need to lock that locking nut really tight. So we're going to use this button on the top of the equipment to lock the drive shaft whilst we use the locking tool to tighten the nut. So at the back of the machine I've got the locking button pressed down nice and firmly. I'm now going to use the locking tool, put it in two of the holes on the locking nut. Now turn that locking bar clockwise really tight, hand tight but really tight. And that's it, your equipment is now set up to go. Always wear suitable eye protection. And what I really love about this angle grinder is it's got a really nice soft start, unlike other angle grinders, which can be quite dangerous. So that's a really nice feature. Okay everyone, thank you very much for watching. Please do give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Please drop us a comment below if you've got any questions or any comments to make about the video, and please do subscribe. So until next time, take care and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.